Well, 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 look who it is! You're the super awesome person who set up their own Discord server. Your official medal is in the mail, and now the real fun begins. Finding some friends to hang with and share the same thing you like. Yes, like your pet chinchilla, Turkey. Let's make your server welcoming. Remember the cafeteria on the first day of school? If you didn't know where to sit, who to talk to, what to do, you might just turn around and go read alone in the library. Wait, was that just us? Well, either way, don't let your Discord community feel lost. When new members join, give them your version of an online group hug, or at least a comfortable, normal, totally chilled hello. You can even set up a welcoming squad to personally greet new members. Then create spaces around topics for members to get to know each other. Need a topic? Start with animals, memes, or breakfast tacos. Now that your community is feeling comfortable, keep them coming back for more with a consistent experience. Try scheduled community events like karaoke, meetups, or gaming nights. Not a gamer? Try AMAs, product launches, or even birdwatching. The next step is turning your server into a true community. The kind of place that feels like a never-ending backyard barbecue with your best friends and chinchillas. But there's no shortcut to this, so spend time together, ask questions, and share some embarrassing stories. Did you notice members discussing extraterrestrials? Create a weekly UFO voice chat. Follow your community trends to encourage even more sharing. You and Turkey have put in a lot of work building your Discord community. It's time to empower them by reaching out to your members to see who would love to be a moderator or help out. Now that you've got some help, you can stay on top of feedback, make changes, and continue to grow with your community. Oh, geez, what a community you've made. So dang proud of you.
Great job.
We'll answer any questions you've got. We're here for you and your community.